Hello everybody, welcome back to KantanFood by Satoshi. Today's video, the theme is miso. Miso is a traditional Japanese condiment. It has a rich umami and saltiness. We use for like miso soup or simmer dish or grilled dish for daily cooking. Maybe it's not so popular outside of Japan, especially in the Western countries, but it's very good for your daily cooking. Today's way is not for Japanese dish, and I don't want to change your daily cooking into Japanese. Your daily cooking, but it become different. Oh, by the way, miso, there are some varieties. Ingredients are different and colors are different. Today, I am using white miso, very light color, and it doesn't have strong flavor. It's mild and less salty. If you cannot find the white miso, please use the light colored one. Please use less amount than I'm showing today. So the first dish is chicken dish. In the bowl, I pour 1.5 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of miso. And now blend well. Miso is not easy to dissolve, so this is one tip. When you want to dissolve, put in a small amount of liquid like this yogurt or water or mirin and dissolve like this. It's easy. And here I put 150 grams of chicken meat. Today I'm using chicken thigh meat and coat with this yogurt mix, yogurt and miso mix like this. Then stay about 10 minutes. So chicken meat are nicely marinated. Let's cook. Before cooking, I have to prepare one thing. It's a frying pan. On the frying pan, pour olive oil like this. Why I did like this? Because the miso is very easy to burn. So prevent from burning, I put this chicken meat on cold frying pan. I'm reducing the excess this sauce, the marinade. Not too much marinade. And put on the frying pan. The skin side is the bottom part. And doing same things on other pieces. Remove excess sauce, excess marinade. Thinly coated meat is the best. Okay, let's cook. Turn on the heat and set the temperature higher low. And cook 5 minutes first and flip it over, then 3 minutes, then cover 2 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes passed. Let's check. Okay, I think 1 more minute. Cook 1 minute more. So check the color. Okay, lightly brown. Flip it over. This one a little bit thick. I have to take care. And this one. Oh, nice, beautiful. Then cook 3 minutes. After that, cover it and 2 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes passed. How is it? Oh, beautiful color. Okay, then flip it over once again, not to be burned, and cover it and check after 2 minutes. Okay, I think it's okay. So this one is a little bit thick, so I want to check if it is okay. So another one might be okay. Oh, perfect, perfect. Look at this. The inside is very beautiful. Let's transfer to a plate. Next two are very simple and easy. One is using this potato. You like potato? Potato and miso is also a good friend. Today's one, it doesn't taste like miso. It gives a just umami and depth. I'm gonna be making the sauce for this potato with yogurt and miso. First, I make a slit about 2/3 depth to make it faster, and put in this steamer and close the lid and steam about 15 to 30 minutes. Please check the condition sometimes. I make sauce. This is 50 grams of the Greek yogurt and combine with 1 teaspoon of white miso. And mix very well. You can use sour cream instead. In Japan, sour cream is very expensive. So today I am using the Greek yogurt. Okay, that's it. This is a sauce. Okay, I steamed 30 minutes. Let's check the condition. Poke it. Okay, it goes through very easily. Very easily. Okay, it's done. Then take it out. Okay, it's done. Cut into half. Wrap the miso and yogurt sauce on top. Looks nice, isn't it? This is optional. Sprinkle a little bit salt and pepper. Okay, potato dish is ready. Today I steamed this potato about 30 minutes. The cooking way is really up to you. If you like the boiling one, it's okay. Baked one, it must be very nice. Microwave, it's the fastest. But flavor wise, I prefer baked or the steamed one. So the next dish is salad dressing. Combine 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of powdered cheese, and 2 teaspoons of white miso, and small amount of garlic, not so much, just a little, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and combine. Mix all ingredients, kind of like Caesar salad dressing. Okay, so this is a consistency. Maybe for some people it's too thick, and in that case, please add 1 teaspoon of water. It becomes smooth. And pour this dressing on salad, but this one, its consistency is thick, so I recommend to toss before eating. Yep, like this. So toss before eating. The dressing coat these vegetables evenly. Nice. And plate on your favorite dish. That's it. Very simple salad dressing. So one more meat dish. This one is Salzburg steak, hamburg steak. In a bowl, put 150 grams of ground meat. Mine one is mixed one, beef and pork. A pinch of salt, some pepper, and if you like, put nutmeg. And here is 1 teaspoon of miso. Then combine this meat. Massage. Combine miso and this meat nicely. Then remove excess air inside. Okay, then make it flat. And the center part should be thinner. And let's grill. Okay, heat a frying pan to higher low. Usually when we grill the Salisbury steak, I set the medium heat, but miso is easy to burn, so this time I set higher low and cook longer. Okay, frying pan become hot, so place the patty here and cook about 3 minutes one side and flip it over, then turn to low and cover, and 7 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes passed, so flip it over, then turn to low and cook another 10 minutes. Sorry, 7 minutes. 10 minutes total. Okay, 10 minutes passed. I want to check the inside. So, poke and okay, beautiful juice comes out, so it's ready. But I want to make this side a little bit more brown, so flip it over like this. Okay, this side is perfect. Okay, transfer to a plate. So the last thing is scrambled egg with miso. Put the half teaspoon of miso inside the bowl and little less than 1 tablespoon of milk and combine. So miso is not easy to dissolve, so first dissolve inside a small amount of liquid. That's the easier way. Okay, dissolve completely. And here, crack 2 eggs and mix. Then melt 10 grams of butter and pour egg mixture here. Okay, this is my favorite consistency. And transfer to your favorite plate. So here's today's all-stars salad, salad dressing, scrambled egg, potato, hamburg steak, Salisbury steak, and grilled chicken. So, いただきます。It's beautiful, yeah? Green, brown, yellow, and brown. First, salad dressing. It's mayonnaise base, but it's combined with miso. It's not just mayonnaise taste. There is distinctive umami. Yes, it's different. But it's not the flavor of miso you imagine. I put a small amount of miso, the miso as white miso. These 2 points makes this dressing very unique. Maybe you are thinking, how's a potato? I'll try. So it's a combination of Greek yogurt and miso. Yes. It's yogurt, but different from yogurt. Of course, yogurt has umami originally, but here's another dimension. I eat this yogurt as it is. It's different. White miso is not so salty. The salt amount is half of regular miso. It's mild, but it has beautiful umami and depth. Scrambled egg. Yes, it's different. It's different from regular scrambled egg. It has depth and another umami. Really nice. Salisbury steak, hamburg steak. I cooked perfectly. Look at this. I put a small amount of miso and a pinch of salt, but those works really nicely. The salt makes the shape of this flavor, And this miso gives a depth. This one has a very good balance of saltiness and umami. So chicken meat. Oh, this is a winner. Yogurt works really nicely. I think it makes this chicken meat tender, keep the moisture, but the umami from this miso is different. Definitely, please try. So cooking time, it really depends. The meat size and the temperature of your frying pan, it depends. But please check during your cooking. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you think these dishes are very good, I want to try, I'm glad. What is the theme of next video? Do you have any requests? Please write in the comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.